Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Development channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into how to create and send adaptive cards to Microsoft Teams using Power Automate. So let's get started. Now let's go to Power Automate. Click on Create, then click on Interclass Flow. Let's give a name for this. Then select Manually Trigger a Flow. Then let's add a trigger. Also here, let's search for the trigger. So the trigger is under the themes, so let's choose this trigger, then post adaptive card, then wait for response. Then we post as a bot, then let's select where we post it. That's the channel, Teams channel. Then also let's select the ID, that's to here. Then also the channel name, I'll select this. So with the message, we will input a JSON code in there. So let's go to adaptive site, adaptive card site. That's one of the Microsoft suite, one of the suites. So now here is the adaptive cards.io. So we'll use one of their templates. So I'll click on new card. Then I'll choose one of the templates. So I'll choose any. So I'll choose this. Then let's copy the payload. Then let's get back to Power Automate. Then let's paste it here. So then let's add one trigger, that's notification. That's for the mail. Then I'll send it to myself. For demonstration purpose. Then a subject. Then a body, you can key in a body. I'll select any of the body for the post adaptive. So I'll select any, see the name. Then I'll click on save here. Then I'll test the flow. Click on test flow, select manually, then click on test. So we are done with the flow. So now I'll get to Microsoft Teams. So now this is my channel. So now automatically you can see it here. So this is how we send adaptive card using Power Automate. So this tool is very good for you to collect data or responses. So this is how it is. So I'll leave here so that you press it on. So after this, you'll receive, you key in this info, you receive an email in to you or to the message that's to the email address I use. So I'll leave here so that you press it on. Thank you.